take your order?
Hello and welcome to this beautiful Corral de Tierra home. This home is a 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom, beautiful 3,900 square foot open plan property with extended large windows that make the most of the views and the abundance of natural, beautiful light. This home has been remodeled recently to a high specification. Some of the features include a large formal dining area, high-speed internet, Milgard windows, soft water, whole house reverse osmosis, multi-zoned heating system, as well as AC, which is quite unique in the valley. The pool and gardens are maintained by our management company to ensure that they are always in good order. The property has been fully furnished recently to a high standard. Everything within it is new. The kitchen is fully stocked with cooking and dining equipment as well as high-end appliances. The house has truly been designed with an emphasis on light and immersion in the surrounding natural beauty of the location. Every bedroom and living room in the house boasts amazing views across the hills. This is a very convenient location for Carmel Valley Village, Laguna Seca, concourse events, Pebble Beach, Monterey Carmel Airport, Carmel by the Sea, Salinas, and Monterey. Now we enter the master suite. This home has beautiful light fixtures. The master bathroom and main level shower rooms have one-way glass which you can see out of but not into. Big master closet. Another look out onto the patio of the beautiful hillside view. And now we'll take you to the lower level. This home has 5 full bathrooms and 5 beautiful bedrooms. You can wake up and walk out onto your patio and see the beautiful hillside from every room. Also a well-equipped laundry room. Thank you for walking through this beautiful Corral de Tierra home. We will see you next time. Don't forget to give us a follow on TikTok and Instagram, Lux Vacay Homes.